Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you've been enjoying my rendition of the Pink Rose Fall Glam vignette. Now, the roses in this vignette are dedicated to my birthday queens. This video is a part of a collaboration, and again, it is the Birthday Queens Fall collaboration. Now, the fall birthday queens that we're celebrating are Creations by Simone, Interior Styles by Tawn, Table Talk with Robin, and Design to a T. Now, I've left links to all of their channels down in my description box along with the playlist, and I hope that you will go and visit all of the ladies today and tell them happy birthday. Also, the other co-hosts are Glam Elegant Living, she's our founder. Then there's At Penny's Place, The Rogers House, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Tablescapes by Candy, Amethyst That Ventures, and Miriam Creative Corner. Welcome aboard, Miriam. This is her first time joining us. So again, I've left links down in my description box. I hope you'll go and visit everyone today. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I hope you'll do that. And also visit my other channels, which are DIY Design by CCW and the Glam Decor channel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.